my YouTube channel, and today is the long-awaited video of the dorm room tour. So let's get it. Alright, so when you first log in, you can give them a little overview. You'll see my side, which is A side. A side! So first, I'm going to show y'all my closet. So, over here, this side, it look a little rough right now, y'all, okay? Just a tad bit. Because I just did laundry, so I'm hanging up my jeans because I don't dry them. So usually my jeans would be folded up and they would be in this, but since they're drying, they're hanging. So usually I have like some jackets and some coats, windbreakers and things like that to take on the go. Those are usually right here, not my jeans, so bear with me. I have my towels. I have the snatch your waist towel that you guys see in one of my videos. Also just a normal body towel. On this first rack here, I have like sports bras, belts, and things like that. On this one would just be like kind of jeans I wear more often than others. And then some more jeans. Down here I have my suitcase. That's kind of just like where I keep it. My Keurig, some cleaning wipes were just here, and my coffee and things like that. So this is one side of my closet. On the other side of my closet, I have jeans, like jean jackets, long sleeve t-shirts. These are more jackets I would wear when it starts getting colder. So these are more so my colder type of clothes. Up there, here I would keep like my computer and iPad, things like I want to lock up before like we leave the room. I will lock up my things and I keep it on this shelf. Here I have my shower caddy. I might do a video of like what's in your shower caddy or something like that. So if that's interesting, comment down below so I know. In this pullout, I have underwear. In the other one, I have towels. Here I keep like smell goods, lotions, and things like that. Over here on this level, I have my iron. In the back, I have some detergent. And then in this basket is kind of like access things for my shower caddy. So in here, I would have like extra towels, pads, these cotton rounds. So things like that where I could fill my shower caddy up would go in this basket. And on this final shelf would be my shoes, my kicks. These are more so summer shoes. I haven't sent my winter things down yet. So these would be all my summer shoes. So that is it for the closet. Over here in this area, on this wall, right here I have my mirror from Walmart, like $5, cheap, it's cute, and kind of matches the layout of my room. Here I have my dirty clothes hamper, my shower shoes, because you know if I have to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, I wear those as well. Here is a rack. I need to get some pictures to put on this, but for now, I have like events for programs I'm a part of, so this is where I would hang important flyers and important papers. On this side, I have the everyday essential umbrella, because you never know with Louisiana, and a purse that I am currently wearing. I keep hanging over here. So on to my desk area. This is my desk. It looks a little junky because I have like all my school supplies and things like that. So up here in this bin, I'm not going to get it down, but in this bin I have extra things like lip gloss, toothpaste, things like that that I would eventually need. Over here I have my reading books, my journals, and things like that in this area. Here I have my letter board, and it just says the grind begins, HBCU, things like that. Up here I have my Xavier merch. I have an umbrella from Xavier, a hat because I have been capped from Xavier, and like a little wristband and a fan. It kind of just goes with the theme. On the second shelf, I have a basket of extra pencils, note cards, things like that. When I run out for school, I'll just stock back up. Here I have like hand sanitizer. I keep vitamins, deodorant, like everyday need to get type of things I would keep here. Back here is just probably like some extra school supplies or something that didn't fit, I keep in here. Tape dispenser. Here's like all my school supplies. So my notebooks, color paper, everything right here until class start. On this level, I would keep my computer. And this is a great thing. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. We currently have 420, surprisingly, subscribers. So if you are not a part of that gang, go subscribe. So then I have, we can close that. So then I have my lamp, which got broken during shipment. And then I have my water bottle. Over here I have like an outlet. I keep I keep a power bank so I can charge phone, watch, and things like that. Here I have my calendar. First day of classes is in 2 days. Yay for first day of classes. Up here I keep my headphones, and then all my power cords in another Beats case. No, I do not have money. I do not have 2 pairs of Beats. I don't. And then down here I have binders, folders, a notebook, other kind of like school supplies. And this marker, this is like dry erase markers. And this bin is like pencils and pens. I have like hole puncher, scissors. And then I keep like my other little essentials on my desk. For the sake of the video, I just took out my 2 cases. Pulling out my chair, down here I just have a trash can from Walmart that was really cheap. On my chair I keep a blanket and a throw over blanket just because the chair is not like cute. And then I keep like my night sweater just thrown under it. Under here is like another desk area type space. It's kind of unorganized, but these are like a lot of papers and flyers I got this week from events I'll be attending. And here's just like a things to do whiteboard just to remind myself what I have to do. I'll write them on a whiteboard and I'll just stick it under there. So that is all for my desk area. Moving on to the fridge. We're gonna do my bed last. Moving on to the fridge area. On top of my fridge, I have plates, bowls, cups, forks, knives, tumblers, things like that, napkins, things like, tools, not necessarily food items, but like supplies and stuff on top of here. On my fridge, I have a little Sunday, Monday, little weekly planning type thing because I'm always going into my fridge every day. So this is kind of just like a reminder, putting the major to-do things on here just to remind myself. Inside of my fridge, it's looking a little thin right now, but I got like some bread and sandwich meat and things like that as of now, because you don't want to get something that spoils super quick. I feel like everything spoils super quick. So then we're gonna take a look under my bed, the devil hiding spot. Here is a little basket. This basket is mainly used to put my throw pillows in before I go to sleep. So right now, this first drawer consists of my t-shirts, mainly t-shirts I would wear outside. The second one is more t-shirts and kind of some sweaters that did not fit in the closet. And then in this drawer, I have pajama pants, pajama shirts. And then this one is more summer clothes, shorts, skirts, and dresses. I also have a step stool because my bed is pretty high and I don't want to jump every day. So I got a step stool for that. Also under here, I have a slide out, but it won't slide out because I have this other stuff over here. And I have like snacks, noodles, and my little fat snacks because I be needing some snacks sometimes. So I keep my snacks down there. Whew. And up here is like the window shield. He was getting to bed.
Great.
It's okay. And then I have here tissues, some snacks I'm eating, apple, things like that. So now to the long awaited part of the room tour is my bed. Here is my bed. I first First, I have these pillows. It says she believed she could, so she did. Just a daily motivation for me because I get up and make my bed every morning, just to keep reminding myself that I believed that I could get to the HBCU, so I did, period. So I just got to believe in myself and trust the process. So now I'm going to go over some of the pillows that are in my bed, that are on my bed. I have this long body pillow from Walmart. I believe it was about $10. And then I have 2 pillows in this one pillowcase. And they're from standard pillows from Walmart, very cheap. I have this, I don't even know what to call this because it's not really like fluffy. What would you call this?
Like ruffled.
Like a ruffled type of pillow here. And then I have 2 kind of designed more of a dark gray and pink and more of a light gray and pink pillow. They don't really match each other, but they match each other, you know. And then I have a bow that I took from my mom because it's super cute and I loved it with my bed. And then I just got another pillow that says Beyond Blessed to remind myself that I am blessed. Then here is my comforter, pink comforter from Walmart. And then I have this cute gray blanket from Walmart. Under here I keep a sheet just because it does get cold in these dorms, baby. Let me tell you, it'll be freezing. So I keep another sheet under there as well. So that is all for my side of the room. So I'm gonna let my roommate do her side of the room.
Hi.
Wait, okay. Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Renaya.
Major.
Bio pre-med major from Port Arthur, Texas.
Okay.
Okay, we can start over here. This is my closet. This is side B. It's pretty much the same thing. I got like my dress clothes hanged up, water, like my iron, and like my more dressy shirts and my pants. This is all my hygiene stuff. I got some extra school supplies. I don't know why I got a loaf of bread right there. And I got toilet paper and some cups, and those are my shower shoes. Mm-hmm. This is my robe as well. So yeah. Okay, yeah, this is my laundry basket. Ain't got nothing in it because I just washed today.
Okay.
These are my towels that I'm going to use like for a week when I bathe. Mm-hmm. And after a week, I throw them away. That's my mirror. It's like a little iridescent color. Got it from Walmart as well. It's my calendar. Just like the same thing, important dates and stuff. Different events that's going on during school. Over here, I write stuff that's like that I really need to do. And this right here is just like, I think it's the basketball games.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. So here's my desk. Up here I have my TV. I have bowls. I have spoons, cups, napkins. This is my printer. I have like my calculator, like sticky notes and this cards. Got markers for my board. I have a graduation picture of me because it's motivation. Like I did it once, I can do it again. Periods. Okay, I like air freshener just in case it's a small room, so sometimes it gets stuffy when it keeps fresh. My laptop, these are like just other tablets in my binder. Have a little mirror right here. Pens, pencils, scissors. This is just I don't know. My wallet. Yeah, my laptop. I have a planner right here, so like I use the planner, so like on the go or in class and I have important data I need to write, I write it in my planner or I put it in my phone and then I transfer it to the board. Mm-hmm. And here I just got other like, handouts that we got. Yeah. And I got this blanket because that chair kind of hard.
For real?
Oh, and my backpack. And then these are my shoes. Under here, we do have carpet, so I got us a little like vacuum cleaner. Mm-hmm. And this is just like stuff in my laundry and stuff. Yeah. So, my fridge. It's kind of empty right now.
For real though. All right, mine's empty too.
I don't have no water in there, y'all, but I do drink water. It was in there. I hope y'all saw it in there. I do drink water. I got some oranges, lunch meat, Lunchables, pickles, juice, applesauce, and popsicles. I really like popsicles. Okay, up here I got some Kleenex and hand sanitizer. I got really bad allergies, like to dust and stuff, so in the middle of the night I'll be sneezing like crazy. So it's a good thing to keep that by my bed. Under here same thing. And this one, I got snacks, some more food and stuff, as well as this one. Us down there is cleaning supplies. This is some more like hygiene stuff when I run out. This drawer is all my underwear. And these are just like t-shirts that I can sleep on. I just throw in when I'm like running to class or something. I have towels in here. And these are just like, just bottoms. Shorts, sweatpants, and stuff like that. Okay, we can get to the bed now. It's my bed. Yeah. I think I got like most of this from Walmart. Yeah, so I got this comforter from Walmart, this blanket, this little sheet. I've been having this pillow for a long time. It says believe because, you know, you just gotta believe in yourself.
Period.
Yeah, this came with the comforter as well as this pillow. I got me a like extra pillow, put a little pink pillowcase over it. This little pink pillow that I've been having for years. And it's another pillow I got from Walmart, just like a little fluffy one and a little teddy bear. And up here, it says love because love is very important, not only for yourself but for everyone around you. So yeah, that's it.
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. You guys been waiting for it. It was a little bit long, but I mean, was it worth the wait? Let us know in the comments. Also, we want to film some YouTube videos together, so please comment what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see challenges, Q&As, my roommate is down to do videos with me, so let us know. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And peace.